Molweni, Mabakuwethu. I'm standing on the historic dark waters of Nqabarha River, kuGatyane in Willowvale. It was here in May 1835, on these waters behind me, where King Hintsa Zanzolo breathed his last breath during the War of 1835. We decided to visit here to remember the place where he fell. He was one of the heroic royal leaders who lost their lives defending the land and the dignity of their people. He died here in 1835. During the period of the 100 years, there are a number of other significant royal leaders who lost their lives standing on waters like these. We remember uNkosi uQhungwa of Amagqulukhwebe, who died in the War of 1811 and 1812. We remember the three sons of King Hintsa, King Sandile, Prince Anta and Prince Xhoxho, who died in the War of Nqabarha in 1877 up to 1879. We also remember the son of King Hintsa, known as Prince Nqabarha, who died in the War of Nqabarha, which exploded in a place called kuGatyane near Dutywa in 1877. We remember uNkosi uSiyolo, the son of Mdushane from the house of Nkosi uNdlambe, who also died in that war. The significance of standing in these waters, you are saying our leaders died fighting, standing in the waters, babemi emanzini, defending the land, defending the dignity of their people. As this generation, we are walking on their footprints with the hope of reigniting their courage, with the hope of remembering what they did for us and their sacrifices. As we say that excellent education is not enough if we do not teach our children the essence of who they are. This is the essence of who we are. This is where we come from. We defined ourselves as the descendants of some of the greatest forebears on planet Earth. The descendants who were defined by John Barrow in 1798 when he met the Africans in the Eastern Cape, where he said, "I've traveled all over the world. I've never seen such people. Perhaps these are the greatest people ever created on planet Earth." We are proud of that history. We are proud of our descendants. We are proud of what they did for us. They were courageous. They were visionary. They were willing to sacrifice for the good cause. They were willing to sacrifice their own lives to save us. We stand here today as the testimony of their greatness, the testimony of their sacrifices. Hence, we embark on this journey of searching this history, walking on their footprints. One day, we will be able to conquer the decolonized minds. Because one of the greatest things we're battling as this generation is the colonial mentality, is the culture of self-destructive tendencies, the culture of low self-esteem. We are here, therefore, to imbibe the spirit of Hintsa, the spirit of Maqoma, the spirit of Sandile, the spirit of Mshweshwe, the spirit of Dingane, the spirit of Sekhukhune. Africa must rise. Africa must rise.